What's up? Today we're gonna be unboxing something I got from Amazon, the new version Fire HD 10 Kids version tablet, Kids Edition. We got some bubbles up in here, bubble wrapping section, and there it lays. Looks nice. Put this off to the side. Wow, that's pretty high. Let's get inside and see how big this thing really is. Kids Edition, Fire HD 10 Kids Edition, 32 gigabytes, 1080p display, 2-year worry-free guarantee, 1 year of Amazon free time unlimited, pink kid-proof case. Ages 3+. There's the plastic to protect the box. 10.1 inch HD display, 1920 by 1200 pixels. Micro SD slot up to 256 gigabytes, so you can add a memory card in there to boost this bad boy's power. Dual band AC Wi-Fi, front and rear cameras, and Dolby speakers. Cool, designed with kids in mind. Has parental controls, endless fun for kids. Oh yeah, and the 2-year worry-free guarantee. If you break it, they'll replace it. No questions asked. Alright. Let's get up in here. Open this thing. It looks so cool. The box, I like the box already. You can see some pink. And there's the tablet itself. Woo! And it's wrapped. So there's the tablet. We're gonna take it out of this wrapping so you can see it a little better. Inside, we got some more stuff to pull out. Something in here, might be a charging cable, I'm not sure yet. Fire HD 10 Kids Edition. We're gonna put this right here. Well, let's just check what's in here, see what we got. Woo! Charging cable, charging dock. Boom, put them together. Plug that bad boy right in. I'm assuming you can use it to plug it into your computer too if you want to transfer some photo files or some music files. You can always hook this bad boy up to Amazon Music Unlimited. Or start reading some books, right? You got a Prime membership. I know there's already gonna be lots of kids books in the kids free trial. What is it? Free time unlimited? Oh yeah. There's lots of books found in there. Games stuff too, educational stuff. That is one shiny tablet. Amazon free time. It's already put in here. I really like this case right here. We got that microphone pinhole right there. What else we got here? We got the audio jack right there. I think it also serves as a microphone jack. And the volume buttons, power button, and the micro SD charging cable slot. Here's the camera. Camera on this side, 2 cameras. Pretty big display compared to the size of my head. Nice and clean, nice and shiny. Got the speaker holes right here in the bottom. So you would hold it like this. Speakers right there. Your hands aren't gonna cover them. I like how it feels in the hands. It's got these little bumps on the corner right here. It like fits into your palm. Just grab it, play, draw, read some books. Nice size pages. Let's turn it on. See if this bad boy powers up. It did. First time powering it on. If you want to check this tablet out for yourself, I'm going to put the link down below so you can learn more about it, see more pictures, other colors, check out different versions. They also got smaller ones for prices a little bit less. And if you choose to buy through my link, I get a small little cut. So I appreciate that a lot. Thank you very much. And this was the unboxing of the Fire HD 10 Kids Edition tablet. Now you know what you're gonna get. You know what to expect when you buy it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up so the little ones can enjoy it. And maybe we'll make some videos using the tablet, reviewing it, and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. Peace out. See you next time. You never know what I'm going to do. Unbox something or upload some weird stuff.